Good morning. I'm going to show you how to create citations for your essay that is due today. So we are just going to go into regular Drive. You're just going to open up your Google Drive and you're going to create a new doc. Okay, so just create a new doc, just a random blank doc, nothing special about it. Go ahead and title it Citations. My computer's being slow. I'm actually going to close some of these down real quick. Okay. So once you have your doc and you have it titled, you are going to go up this to Tools, and you're going to see this little thing called Citations, and you're going to click on it. And you're going to make sure it's in MLA, not APA or Chicago. It's MLA. And then you're going to look up a citation source. So every single person is going to be using our textbook, and you're going to be citing both speeches. So the Four Freedoms speech and JFK's inaugural address. So it is a book, but it's going to be a book section because you are not quoting, you are not citing the entire textbook. So you're going to go to book section and you access it. That means how did you read it? And all of you guys are going to put print. You can try to search it up with the ISBN. I will show you where all of the items are where you can find them in your textbook, but that'll be in a separate video because I cannot screencast and show you a physical video at the same time. So we're going to cite manually. And the section author, so this is the name of the person whose speech it is. So the first person you're going to do is Roosevelt. So Franklin D. Roosevelt. Okay. And the section title is From Four Freedoms Speech. Now you're going to put the title of your textbook. So that is going to be My Perspectives. And again, I'm going to show you all of this on the physical textbook, where to find it in a separate short video. So My Perspectives, California, English Language Arts. That's a really long title. Okay, the publisher. Again, I'm going to show you where to find this in your textbook, but it will be in the first page of your book. So if you open it up, you'll see the title page. You'll flip it over, and you're going to see in bold it says Copyright 2017, and it's going to say by Pearson Education Incorporates. So we're going to type in, because the publisher is Pearson Inc. Okay. The year was published. It's right next to that C, which copyright is 2017. And again, I'm going to show you where to find it. And then you're going to go to the page numbers that you found the speech on. So we're going to flip over to there. Give me a sec, because I'm actually doing this in real life. So, the Four Freedoms speech. Here we go. Now, if you guys use anything about the speaker that starts on 268, so you're going to put page 268, and then you're going to find the end of the speech, which is on page 276. So 268 to 276. The edition of the book. So again, I'm going to show you where I'll find all this. I'm going to flip back to the front, and I'm going to look for the edition. And I believe it's the first edition. I'm not finding anything that says otherwise, so I'm just going to leave that blank. And it is volume 1. It literally says volume 1. And there are 2 volumes to your textbook. And that's it. Okay? So you can add contributors, but you don't need all of that. So here it is. So we're going to add the citation source. So here is the actual citation. You're going to put insert text. And this is what your citation should look like in your actual essay. So whatever page you quoted from, it'll be Roosevelt, and then you'll put whatever page. So 268, 268. And then, oops, that's 9. And this will be at the end of your sentence, your quotation. So I'm going to put quote, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to put the quotations here. You're going to cite it, and then you're going to put a period. So this is in-text MLA citation, okay? And I'm going to be able to use this when I go to your citation page. So now I'm going to go to Insert Works Cited. Okay, so now in your essay, I should be able to see the author and the page number you got it from. And then what I will do is I will go to the last slide on your essay, and I will say, oh, there's Roosevelt. And I can go to page 268 in your textbook, and I can see where you got that quote. Okay, so that's the whole point. So now what you'll do is you will copy and paste this into your Google slide. And you will make sure that there's no punctuation errors. Okay, so again, you will copy it just like this. You'll paste it in your Google slide, and you will need to do the same thing for FDR. So you're going to go through the same thing. You're going to add another citation source. You're going to go to book section. You're going to go to print. You're going to cite manually. You're going to write JFK's name. You need to put his full name, not JFK. So John F. Kennedy. The section title is going to be Inaugural Address. The book title is going to be My Perspectives. You're going to do this whole thing again, okay? And then it will create another citation for you, and it will look like this, and you will copy and paste it into your slideshow. Now, if you need to add a website, you're going to go to the same thing. You're going to go to Tools, you're going to go to MLA, you're going to add a citation, and you're going to go to Website. You can copy and paste the website here directly. So I'm going to, for freedom, speech. Let's see, we want to look up some information. So we're going to look up here. So now I'm going to copy this website that I used, and I'm going to go back into citations, and I'm going to do that instead. Search. So now when I search it, it gives me the title, the website, the URL. It's missing the published year, and it's missing the contributors. So we're going to go to Cite Manually. We're going to go back to the website and see if I can find that information. We're not going to cite manually. We're going to just go to that point. So instead of putting cite manual, you're going to hit continue. Okay? Then we're going to go to the for freedom speech. We're going to see if we can find the author. See any authors? Any authors? Any authors? No. Okay? Published day, so we can see if it was, there's a day anywhere on here. No, there's literally nothing. Okay. Well, we're just going to go with this then. Okay. The author, we're going to put Franklin Roosevelt, because there's no author either, is there? Timeline. Oh, here they are. So it's Lewis Kahn and Joe Davidson. Lewis Kahn and Joe Davidson. So let's go back over here. Joe Davidson. Try not to take so long, but you know, I'm human and I'm going through it just as if you would. So we're going to add citation source. So now you have this guy, and if you hit cite, it'll tell you what needs to be put there again. So let's cite that. And let's cite that. So because there's no page number in a website, it just puts the two authors' last names there. And you will do the same thing. Quote, citation, period. Okay? So now we're going to insert works cited. And it's actually going to put all of them for me. So now if you put all of your citations in this first and you just put insert works cited after they're all typed in, you will get a full list. And then you will just copy and paste this directly into your Google Slides. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And I'm going to go to one of your guys' items. I'm going to go to classwork. And I know this is a slow and boring process, but a lot of people asked me how to do this, so hopefully this will help you guys. And I'm going to open it up. I will try to trim this out so that way you guys don't get all the extra mistakes I make. So you're going to just scroll down to works cited. And you literally are just going to paste, right click, paste without formatting. And then you're going to have to size it, you know, based on how you need to size it. So I would right click this, I would hit select all. It won't let me, so I'm going to go to edit, select all, and I'm just going to lower it. And this doesn't go down here. I don't know why that's there. Okay, and it will automatically put it in there for you. Okay, so here is the website I chose. Here's one of the speeches, and then you will have your other speech as well. So I hope this helps in how to cite your stuff. And now I'm going to film another short video of where to find this information in your textbook. So I really do hope this helps. And I will see you guys soon.